We've got twins, and when we drop them off for school, one of my worries when I go to work is, are they going to come home sick? We get flus all the time and viruses in the winter. Once one gets sick, they pass it around. It becomes like a germ factory.
Cleanliness is #1 priority in our school. Parents depend on us to keep this place clean, and sanitizing ultimately leads to children not being sick. The only thing we did was spraying bleach in water, soap in water, and continuously washing the place over and over again. Bleach has a strong smell, so if I went around spraying bleach when kids are around, #1, it's not that safe for the kids, and the room smells of bleach. I started using the Texas sprayer. I walk around and I spray the entire building with the sprayer.
The battery-powered Protexus electrostatic sprayer and its custom-designed pump system atomizes the PureTab's disinfecting or sanitizing solution. The droplets pass an electrode inside the nozzle, creating a magnetic charged spray that seeks out and wraps around all touch points and grounded room surfaces.
I basically target all the toys, the cots, the cubbies, light switches, doorknobs, computers, telephones, once a day, and that's good enough. I can go in and reach everywhere our little children can get their hands on. This product is so easy to use. It's portable. There's no wires. It's just the sprayer in my hand.
I'm a clean freak, okay? So to have that one kind of omni product that you can use and it gets everywhere, wow, that helps me sleep at night. For me as a parent, it's just peace of mind.